Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Dowd narrating a video about your project here. This is the digital citizenship article assignment, and the main purpose of this, besides reading about some more digital citizenship, is to get used to the formatting tools in Google Docs. My guess is that many of you know many of these tools, but I just want to make sure that you know where to find the things that are on the list. I am going to talk for a second about the reading. You know we are an Avid school and do critical reading. Although I have not put these on paper, so you will not have the opportunity to read with a pencil and mark the text. If you want to, though, you can use the comment features, and especially if there's something you don't understand. And I'm just making an example here. I don't know what websites are. Oops. I will highlight websites, and you can click the comment button. What are these? And that lets you know that you've still got a question, and I can answer that question when I get back. The other thing I want to make you aware in general is that you have your toolbar right up here with the basic formatting tools, and then up here you have your menu bar, and these menu items go into a little more depth with the tools that are available. If you're going to look here and see something like right here that is grayed out, that means that it is temporarily not available. Maybe you need to highlight something, or maybe it's just the wrong kind of document to use that. One other thing that's very important for you to know is right here, this little purple puzzle piece button up at the top. If you click that and bring it down, you will have the read-write tools. If you are browsing as a guest on your Chromebook right now, you will not see those. And also, shame on you. Don't ever browse as a guest. Log in for accountability. And also, so you have all of the things available to a Mount Vernon student, including all of the Google Apps for Education and, of course, the read-write toolbar. Now, let's scroll down the document. And I'm going to just quickly, and I do mean quickly, go over this list, and then I'm going to show you where to find some of these tools. First, it says read the article using the read-write tools and highlight any words you don't know, pink. So again, those read-write tools are here. Here are the highlight tools, and any words you don't know, there's the pink. Highlight them pink, please. In fact, let's just show you. Let's see. I don't know what unknown means. Then I'll highlight it in pink, highlight it, and click pink. There it is. As a group, we will define unknown words, highlight words, add a comment. So again, you can also comment as you highlight. I want you to change the font. Your font menu is right up here. Change the color of the text. Here, right here, is the text color. And choose some text to make bold, some to make italic. Not a majority of the text, just a small selection for emphasis. Look, I know most of you know all of this. This is just making sure people know the basics. Add 3 images. And make sure you have permission to use these images. And that's the advanced search feature so you don't violate copyright. You guys hopefully remember how we did that. And once you, so I'm not going to show it in this video because we have been through this. If your neighbor forgets, please help your neighbors. I will say right up here, no, I'm sorry, down here in the lower right, the Explorer, once you've set your, once you have set your permissions for searching, you can now search right from here. Digital citizenship, and I can go to images and I can search here. But again, go to advanced search and set for free to use first, and then it's the bottom choice, and then you can just simply drag your images into the Google Doc. I will undo that. Now it says resize the images to fit on the page. If you click on the image, you'll see the ability to resize. And edit the images by making one grayscale and choosing 2 other effects. This I do want to show you. So again, I'm going to go to the Explorer. I'm going to search digital citizenship again, and then I'm going to go ahead, choose the images, and I'm going to bring the image in. So if I'm going to resize, I'm going to do it like that. Now my image is resized, and then it said making one grayscale right here. If you right-click the image, you will get some choices, and then image options right here, click it, and it'll open the bar. How this one says no recolor. Now you can add all of these choices to the recoloring. I'm going to add, and this one said grayscale. The best grayscale is the one right down here. Now you can see this is no longer a color image, and this is good for if you are going to make photocopies of it. Our photocopiers are black and white, as are most, and so if you're going to print out in black and white, grayscaling the image will give you a better image at the end. Use a special character. And then I believe it also says something about wrapping the text. Here's the text wrapping, and if you do that, it doesn't break the text in between, it wraps it, so you can then move it where you want in the text. All right. Get rid of that. I don't know why I suddenly have a gap here. Now, use the special characters to add Chinese symbols to one of the lines of text. I won't go through the whole thing, but I will say if your read-write bar gets in the way, you can collapse it. If you go to Insert, Special Characters, then you will find all of the characters. This is for symbol and arrows. You can have a whole bunch of different types of things here. And what you'll need to do is South Asian scripts might be a place to look. I'm not saying anything. I'm just saying. That's where you go to find your Chinese symbols. Insert a 3x3 table at the bottom of your document. Put headers at the top and make the font different from the rest of your document. Fill the cells of the table. Color the back. Oh, and so right up here, table and insert table, and it lets you format it how you wish. And then color the background of your document. Make the whole page a different color than white. And then when selecting colors, make sure all text is readable. You guys, if you are going to change the color of your document, you do that in the File menu in Page Setup. File menu, Page Setup. And then it says cross out these instructions as you complete them with the strike through feature. Notice up here in my tools bar, there's no strike through. You're going to have to get a little deeper in there, format, and then look for the strike through in the format menu. And then delete any text, including these instructions, that does not fit on one page. When you are done and hit the turn in button, you're only going to turn in one page and make sure all of your images in your table are on the one page. And then again, use the turn in button to hand this assignment in. So that's 17 steps to undergo, and I look forward. Oh, and if we don't finish this on the day that I'm gone, then we'll make some time to finish it up on Thursday. So you got several things to do apart from coming in and treating our sub the right way. You're going to finish the vocab, and then and first you're going to add questions to your Cornell notes, then you're going to finish the vocab. Finally, you're going to get started on this formatting steps. That includes reading the document. You guys have a fantastic Tuesday. I'll see you on Thursday.